wake up tired.
Hey guys, so today we're going bowling. It's currently, what time is it? 8:30. We're going bowling because Elaine wants to go bowl and she's leaving soon. And we're getting a little snacky snack, a little food before we go in. Feeling a little hungry, my head hurts. Let's have some fun. Let's win. Get a strike. Strike Tony. We ordered at Chick-fil-A. I got the 3-piece meal, chicken tenders. He got me with the 90 cents extra for the large. It's huge. Gonna drink this up. Hopefully they don't kick us out for having outside food.
Who cares?
Inside way.
Alright, here.
Yeah, I think here. We got our food.
I kept
Got the waffle fry.
Yummy.
Now we're gonna go sit down and eat real quick before we bow and get them strikes. They're the tasty. He spelled my name wrong and John's name wrong on our receipt.
Just say John.
Haven't had Chick-fil-A in so long. And for the sauces, I got
hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah, I got hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer.
Chick-fil-A sauce, zesty buffalo. I think I'll get first or second.
I think I'm gonna be the fastest bowler.
We got the clown shoes on. John's putting his on right now. You gotta add the names. Oh, okay.
Should we do fake names?
Okay, let's Oh, okay, I guess that works. Gome is me, because I was trying to put Kagome from Inuyasha, but it didn't work. Don't be inappropriate.
Hey, wait for me!
Oh, okay.
No bumpers, please. No one's a cheater, okay? Let's get it.
We gotta start fast. We only got 2 hours.
We're starting our first game, and I'm going first. Second time, let's get spare. So, yeah, I got spare.
Holy shit.
Yep, Art's turn. Let's see his form. Gotta shake off his hands. What? It's broken?
Oh, I thought I striked already.
Dude! It's cleaning.
It's a little messy, bruh.
What's the laughy laugher over here?
He said he wants to dunk. Look, show.
What?
Wants this one.
What? 48 bucks!
It's ready.
It's broken.
What? Why is it broken? It's taking up our time. Oh. I didn't get Art's first roll, but he almost hit a strike. Got my heart pounded.
Okay.
Wait, what happened?
It's broken again, no?
Wait, what's happening? Did it fall? I don't know what's happening either. Oh, it's right there.
It's ready?
Alright, stop messing around. Let's see. Oh, yikes.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials.
We're gonna do a checkup, guess who's in the lead. Current score, a little under halfway through. Let's see, like, maybe she'll get her first points. Let's see. Nice! We're ending our first game, and this is the score. John broke his bracelet too. I was supposed to win, but they kept getting strikes. Wait. wait. That's the score. Game 2, I'll win. That was practice round. We're on our last round. This is our 3rd round. Guess who got spare and a strike? This is the score currently. Okay, it's gone. Everybody's doing their last rounds and the scores are looking pretty good this time. She's not doing too good, but she did get a spare on her 2nd one. Oh, John just got a spare too right now. Finished with bowling. I was first place for the last game. Art was right behind me. Elaine and John got weak in the arms a little, but they did good. Actually, I don't know about Elaine.
Who threw the fastest ball?
Yeah, John threw the fastest ball. And yeah, John broke his bracelet. It was a good game. Got the strike at the end.
At least we have one consistent player right here.
Yeah, always using the 10-pound, even though it's too heavy for her. And now we're in the deserted mall. And we're back here again at the mall, but this time we're gonna go watch a movie. It's because Elaine wanted to watch a movie at the movie theater, of course. And we're watching Soul because they have it on the movies since it came out during COVID. Elaine, wanna say hi? She got all the snacks right here. Here's Court, sleepyhead. Sleepyhead Court. Since we came early for the movie, we're gonna get some udon before we go in. We're sharing the beef udon. Under the clothes, we got the snacks. And what?
Coke at the bottom?
There's Coke under there. And then under here, some chips. Are you covered it? Made it into the theater and we got a large icy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Coca-Cola.
And Coca-Cola.
Oh,
Coke.
raspberry.
Coca. Green apple. Get Coca-Cola.
I'll take shift.
John, you don't know the
Shift?
hack?
Okay, I call first shift.
Get the Coca-Cola.
You put it on and then you put the slushy all the way to top and make sure you tap, tap, tap. The air comes out.
There you go, John.
Okay, what's next? Oh, just Coca-Cola?
You said blue raspberry, right?
Ew, that one looks like
You
water.
said green apple.
Not me, I don't want it, I don't want it. I was just joking. Little poo-poo.
Okay, now let me one chug. Oh,
John!
Not on my chin.
Oh.
go wipe it. Wipe it.
Make sure to lick that too.
You guys
Hey, how
look
come the
that.
one
It's
that...
not that icy. It's icy, but it's too icy. It needs to be more smoother. We watched Soul before, but it was on the Disney Plus app, I think. Now we're in the movie theaters. It'll be different, but I'm not sure.
Walk into class, huh? Come here. Guess who? Guess who?
Just finished watching the movie. It's really inspirational. I think I slept through it the first time I watched it, but I didn't fall asleep this time. We're at the beach today. I'm gonna get some seaside, some green Thai tea, the yummy yum. But Court right now is checking if we have to pay for parking because parking lot is filled. But today is a nice day for the beach, so maybe that's why. We brought a bunch of snacks, some chicharrones. Gonna have a good time. Actually, it's getting kind of chilly, almost sunset. Cart with the shorts. Cart with the shorts. Got our little setup, super chilly and windy. We're gonna see the sunset and then we're gonna dip.